drumsticks moringa pods, the most nutritious one. So today we'll see how to chop them and store them for a short time and also for a long time. So chop the ends, and then when you're cutting it, don't pass the knife through it. Cut it only 75%, and then so you can peel it off like how I'm doing. So there are seeds. The bulgy portion has a seed, and in between there is a space. So what I do is I try to cut it from that portion which doesn't have a seed, just because I enjoy eating seeds when they are cooked. So if you do the same thing, then you can follow this. So just 75 to 80%, and then peel off the skin. This takes me back to my mother when she was peeling off the drumsticks, and that lovely aroma in the kitchen, and I used to narrate my school stories to her. So this is the way you cut it, and once you try 2-3 times you'll be fine. So now we are not going to wash it. Make sure there is no water, there is no moisture. Take an airtight container, put a paper napkin, kitchen towel, any soft cotton material. I use my old scarves, the cotton ones, natural breathable material, and then you can put it in that and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and this will last for 1 to 2 weeks. Make sure there is no moisture, make sure it's dry. And now we'll see how to store it for a longer time, like about 4 to 5 months. And that is what I have tried. I didn't use it for more than that, so it may be you can use it for more than that. So this we are going to wash it with water, because once this is stored, this is half cooked, so you cannot wash it again. So make sure you wash it very thoroughly. Usually drumsticks come directly from the trees, for me at least, from my friend's house. So then boil the water, and once the water is boiled, add this drumstick pods. Keep it in the hot water only for 3 minutes, not more than that. Take it out, keep the ice water ready, and put it in the ice water. Why we are putting it in ice water? To stop the cooking process. We don't want to overcook them. So now we're cooking it only for 3 minutes, not more than that. So now this is in ice water. We are going to cool it down completely and then take it out. So this is not overcooked, just a little bit cooked. So take it out from this ice water. If you want, you can dry it out with a kitchen towel or a paper napkin, and then we are going to freeze it. So for freezing, you can take any Ziploc bags, any containers which are airtight. And what I do is, I know what is our serving one meal, so I just put it accordingly to one serving, so I can just take out one bag instead of storing it together. Make sure there is no air. Remove all the air before storing it, and all these small tips will help you to increase the shelf life. So, and then put the Ziploc, and this goes in the refrigerator. No, sorry, this goes in the freezer, not in the refrigerator. And then I had one which I had frozen a couple of weeks back. So when you remove them, just thaw them and you're ready to cook. I'm going to make one more video where I'll show how to cook them.